wizard.
Alright, good evening everyone. I hope you all had a great day today. God bless you all, and all praise be to Jesus Christ. So, on this morning's video, I knew if we was losing this daily VWAP, what is now the previous day VWAP, I figured if we was losing this VWAP, we was going to hit this previous quarter 3 VWAP. I felt like 80 cards, 80k was in the cards. I really felt like we was going to come down to 80k. And it just so happens we are hitting those levels now. We are seeing the TA play out right before our eyes. Now we are coming down below this quarter 3 VWAP on the 1 hour. It looks like she has room to go on this momentum wave. So this 75, 76k level that I have been calling, I have been calling for weeks now. Thank you to everyone who has subscribed and has been following the channel. I appreciate every single one of you. God bless all of you. Thank you so much. Yeah, once we fell into the low volume profile gap, the move that would make sense, and here on the 4 hour, we just printed a red dot. We got room to go. Okay, and we're hitting this quarter 3 VWAP. I'm still calling for 76k. Still, now, not saying she could bounce from here and just start ripping back up, but I don't see anything pointing in that direction. Okay, now your 8 hour VWAP is about to cross back down as well. 12 hour VWAP just crossed over but shot right back down. Okay, so the 76k is very much in the cards. Everyone got real bullish when we started pumping, but if you watch my video from today, we knew that we had to really reclaim this VWAP and get back above the weekly VWAP to even talk about 90k again. Okay, excuse me. And so now RSIs, they are green. They're starting to come together and come straight down. Money flow is coming out. You might be able to see a curve. Let's go to the 30-minute. See what the curve does. Sharp curve, so that you could bounce. Looks like it could, but this VWAP could reject and continue this momentum wave down. Okay, I'm still calling for the 76k. Let's see what sort of bounces we could get here in between. Right now, we're just gonna have to get back above this daily VWAP. Yeah, right now, if we're going to see a bounce and not just come right back down to the high volume node in this range at 76k, if we are going to get a bounce from this quarter 3 VWAP, and for the last few days, we knew our first stop down was going to be the spider line. We've hit our first stop down, and we knew that this previous quarter 3 VWAP was a potential stop. We had a little bit of volume that could catch us, but really the move that makes sense is 76k. So if we're seeing price lose the 80k level, just 76k. If you've been following the channel, you know this move is of no surprise to us. Market Cipher has been calling it beautifully. The VWAPs have acted just as they have supposed to act. You lose one, you come down to the next. Nailed it perfectly right now. Live action, you can see it went right down to our VWAP that we've been calling. And now if we're losing this VWAP, I can almost guarantee you she's going to come right back down to this quarter 2 VWAP, okay? That's just how it works. But those are the levels I'm watching. Let's actually get an exact price here on the daily VWAP. So if we wanna not go down to 76k, we're gonna need to open candles back above 82k, and then we can probably bounce back to the 84k if we are reclaiming daily VWAP as support. But oh man, she is going. I've been calling for 76k. Let's see if I know what I'm talking about. Clearly. I kinda know what I'm talking about, but if we hit 76k, then I just know what I'm talking about. Right now it's just kinda know what I'm doing here. Okay? Thank you again to everyone who has been subscribed. It's been a pleasure be able to come to the charts every day, read them, break it down, and then watch the moves happen for the community. Like, man, I'm gonna fund one of these accounts here soon. Finally got all that in order. Got a couple shekels, found a couple loose change in the car. So I should have a funded account, man. I'll start putting my money where my mouth is and start taking some trade with you guys, and let's go, man. I'm still eyeing 76K, but I gotta make this quick, so that'll do it for me. If we're bouncing from here, we gotta get back to 82K, and if we want to go higher, we gotta open candles above 82K. If not, 76K is on the way, baby. But that'll do it for me. I hope everyone has a great night. Should be back in the morning. God bless you all. I'm out.